Hello everyone, in this video I will show you two easy ways to calculate working days in Excel. First by excluding weekends only and second by excluding both weekends and public holiday. So let's see the first one. So select the cell is equal to type here net work days. Select this function, select the start date, comma, select the end date, bracket closed and enter, and here say 11 days calculated. This formula automatically exclude Saturday and Sunday. Okay, select the cell, double click on this corner point to fill below data, and here you see the working days calculated excluded weekends only. And the second way, exclude weekends plus public holiday. So I click on this second sheet and you can see the data with the public holiday list. So I select the cell is equal to type here the same function net work days. In brackets, select the start date, comma, select the end date, comma, then select here the entire public holiday list. So I select here the entire list, then fix this list, press the F4 and fix this entire list, then bracket closed and enter. You can see the 9 working days here calculated. Double click on this corner point and here you see working days excluding weekends plus public holidays. So that's it. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.